Hello guys, welcome to our channel EduUdr. This is a new series on Java where you can learn the Java from the scratch. There is no prerequisite to learn Java. You just need to follow this tutorial till the end. That's all you need. Java is one of the famous language which is widely used all over the world. Java runs on everything from laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific supercomputers. You just name it. Now let's have a look on how was Java born. Java was created at Sun Microsoft System in 1991, which is later owned by Oracle. It was developed by three main peoples. They are James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton. This team was led by James Gosling and is also known as father of Java. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced for the television industry at that time. Initially, Java was called Oak after James noticed a oak tree which stood in front of his office. But unfortunately, there was already a registered software company named Oak, so company lawyers advised them to change it. Then they changed to Project Green, then finally Java after drinking a cup of Indonesian coffee named Java. So now you know how it got a logo of a cup. The only reason the Java is still famous in nowadays too and it is still used in many industries is because of this killer feature of the Java, that is write once, run anywhere, which made it become much popular than any other languages. As we know, different devices have different operating system with different browsers. It became hard to run the same code on different machines since it requires different configuration. Now the magic happened. Java language came up with this new feature, that is bytecode. This is a unique way of compilation happens with bytecode and JVM, and hence portability can be achieved. Now let's see the other programming language like C, how they compile. In programming languages like C, the source code is first compiled by a compiler which turns the source code into the object code or machine code, which in turn executed and shown on output screen. In Java, here the case is different. The code is compiled in a really cool way. Here, first Java code, which is a .java file, which is compiled by a Java C compiler and generates .class file, which is a bytecode file. This file can be run in a machine having Java runtime environment. This .class file again interpreted by a Java interpreter, that is Java virtual machine, then finally into a machine code. Now I can summarize the whole concept like this. The only important points you must know before learning Java is Java C and JVM. Java C, which is nothing but the compiler that converts the source code to bytecode. JVM, interpreter that converts the bytecode to machine language code. Let's see, is it really worth learning this language? The answer is of course yes. Though the Python is booming in industry, but still Java holds a very good place. It's used in many major companies like Instagram and many other. It is the second popular language after Python. Java is one of the most popular programming language is used according to the GitHub in 2019. There are about 9 million Java developers in the world. Java has a very strong community. So whenever you be trying to solve a bug, so you can easily go into the internet and check out the problems and you will definitely get the answers. Nearly 3 billion devices uses Java for their functionalities, which is directly proportional to the number of job opportunities this field could offer you. Java used in many trending technologies like big data, which uses Scala, and it has a rich standard API which is used in Android application development too. Now let's see what are the different versions of Java till now which is released. Java is evolving every day. Oracle brings a new updates which gives more securities and features too. JDK version 1.0, which is released in 1996, which was followed by 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 5.0, which is released in 2004. After that, it came up with more features on Java SE6. The code was named as Mustang. Java SE7, which is released in 2011, and Java SE8, which is released in 2014. The same way it released Java SE9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the latest version in Java SE14 released in March 2020. And that's all for the day. Thank you. Keep watching EduUdr.